नमस्कार, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हॉस्पिटैलिटी चैट विद सौमित्र। आज आप देख सकते हो कि हम एक मैक्सिकन काउंटर में खड़ा है और शेफ प्रवीण जो आज आप लोगों के सामने पेश करने वाला है एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा सूप जो आप घर में बना सकते हो। ठंडी के मतलब बारिश के सीजन चल रहा है और ये सीजन्स में ये सूप शाम को और in the afternoon you can try it out, which will increase your immunity and you'll like it for sure. So the name of the soup is Mexican bean and along with some vegetable, whereas in Praveen chef is just sauteing the garlic and onion right there in the pan. I mean he's up to the brown color, then he is going to add some vegetable. And he's adding some vegetables in the sense there are broccoli, then there are zucchinis, different zucchinis, then cauliflowers, and then he is going to add some vegetable stock. So here he has added some vegetable stock in while sauteing. Then he is going to use some beans along with the vegetables, and he is just sauteing to get the color up to getting brown. So just have a look and understand how is he doing, how nicely he is preparing the soup, which you can make it at your home. He's adding in here. Next he is just going to add some super vegetable stocks, different vegetable mixed together, and he is just adding that stock, and that he is going to cook this just for a while. And once it is getting cooked, you can see all the different vegetables are cooking in vegetable stocks, and then he will be adding some tomato puree along with some salt to enhance the taste. Here he is adding some salt as per the taste. Please taste it out because the salt has to be as per the taste palette. And then he is going to add some, as I said, tomato puree, which is going to give you the taste as well as the color of the Mexican bean soups, which is getting cooked. Praveen, what all vegetable you have used?
We have using chopped broccoli,
Yeah, he has used some broccoli, then some corn, zucchini, then you
add some
baked beans and as well as some rajmas together. So now he will add some baked beans in this in this soup. What he is going to add? Wow! Look at the color. I am just getting. मेरे तो मुंह में पानी आना शुरू हो गया ये सूप का कलर, टेक्सचर्स और वो देख के. Just have a look how nicely he is getting it. Praveen, I think we need to add some more vegetable stock to give you a little more thinner, because it's getting little so please always use vegetable stock as per the consistency you require, as per the Mexican bean soup consistency. So don't forget that, because that's how it is going to be the perfect one what is getting cooked. So here he's just pour it now in the soup bowl. So here is the Mexican bean soup which is ready. You can just see it again and again. Do not miss out the recipe, and he will garnish it with some crispy nachos, different flavored crispy nachos. So here is the Mexican bean soups with different vegetable. And thank you, Praveen. Thank you so much. And all of you, please try it out at your home. Stay connected, and if the people who have not subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you. Signing off. Thank you.